Practice parking into a parking space in a parking lot on the right, front in. Straighten your car in the middle of the parking lot. Just leave enough space on the left so a car could get by you. Now select the lane you need to get into, and of course put the right signal on, and when the front of the vehicle is in the middle of the same lane you need to get into, just slow the car down to a crawl and turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Let the car do the job. When the car is straight in the lane, you momentarily stop, then straighten the wheel, turn to the left until it looks like the face of a clock, turn to the left again until it looks like the face of a clock, then move completely into the parking space. Apply the parking brake, place the gear selected to park. You're done.